Okay, I am doing the same idea of the ducks with the drop swirl. I just added passion fruit and acai. I can never say it. Acai. Which is not supposed to discolor, but it's very yellow and everything has turned green. I'm really hoping that it will go back to blue. Otherwise I'm going to have some green ocean. Which I guess in the reality of things is not like unrealistic, but it was not the color I was going for. So I really hope it goes back. So I'm doing this in my tall and skinny loaf because I have a Pelican Embed and a like wharf, like Pier elements, and they're tall. And I figured that the tall and skinny would probably give me the best result. And yeah, this blue, which looks green, is oy oy oy. Oh man. So I'm doing the same thing as last time, but this time I'm not really separating the colors as much. Oh my gosh. This is massively not the color I was going for. So I really hope this goes back. So I'm making these in the same day, so I have no idea if it actually works, but like they had to get done today or they weren't getting done for the challenge. So yeah, I'm just going to, oh man, this barely fits. I was not thinking about that when I chose the squeeze bottle with the tall and skinny. This might not actually be very good. I literally cannot get my bottle down. Like, I'm just kind of pouring a layer on top now. And yeah. It's looking more and more like this is going to be a bonus entry. Right now the ducks look like they're faring much better. Okay, I need to let this set up before I put the embeds in, so I will come back. Okay, so I switched fragrances for the sky because I really don't want the sky to be green. And this it does kind of actually look like it's turning back, but I wasn't taking the chance. So there's the little pier, the wood piers, which I'm going to sit in there, and I'm pushing it in just a tad because I want it to sit a little below the water. And then this is my Pelican. Getting it lined up right on this and not not falling over or not having air gaps. That's the challenge. If I can do that, I will be happy. So this fragrance actually did set up pretty quickly. Which is great for part 2. Really, really hope the color goes back. So now I have to try and get the penguin, not the penguin, the pelican in, but not floating and actually standing on the post. And also not have any air gaps under his beak, which I don't know if that's going to be feasible, but I'm setting a little bit aside that I can then infill if I need to. And this is setting up a little bit. I am just going to place. Fingers crossed that worked. I'm pretty sure I'll have gaps under the beak, but I have a little bit left over that I will put to the side and I can infill. So now I made these cute little top embeds. Look at that. So now I have to go place them all on top. But it'll be worth it. It will. It's gonna be cute, I'm sure. So I thought I was recording, but apparently I wasn't recording. So yeah, this is not a drop swirl. Yeah, it's a fail in the drop swirl. The soap itself, I think it's cute. My bird tipped sideways. I knew that that was going to probably be my biggest challenge. And as you can see, I just did not get him straight. So I'm curious if I did any better on the second loaf. But yeah, he's about to take a nosedive off. Oh, yeah, yeah.